system is gonna meet. And I can see with my own eyes, it's only a housing scheme that divide. What a bam bam bam. When the two sevens clash, the dread. What a bam bam bam. When the two sevens clash. Look up a cotton tree out by Ferry Police Station. How beautiful it used to be, and it has been destroyed by lightning, earthquake and thunder. I say, what? Bam, 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 when the two sevens clash, the dread. Bam, 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 when the two sevens clash. I take a ride sometimes on Penn Overland and Bronx, and sometimes I ride on bus X82. Say what? What a bam 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 when the two sevens clash. What a bam 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 when the two sevens clash. Marcus Garvey was inside of Spanish Town District Prison, and when they were about to take him out, he prophesied and said, as I pass through this gate, no other prisoner shall enter it there through. And so it
de alguna manera a veces me siento muy así.
Por favor.
A la cola. A la cola.
Pues a ver, lo que prefieres.
¿Está abierto?
Venga chicos, todos vamos a
Eres un adivino. Te le das futuro.
Pisa 3. Pisa 3. ¡Alá! Pisa 3. ¡Alá!
Try love, there's nothing to it. If we only put our hearts to it, we can do it. ideological wars separate each other on racial boundaries. Don't you think it's time we sit and chat together about unity? This band, the Ku Klux Klan, we want equal rights for everyone. It's up to you and I to make things better for the next generation. Try love, there's nothing to it if we only put our minds to it. We can do it. Try love, let's come together, make life better, loving one another. Try love, there's nothing to it if we only put our hearts to it. We can do it. Try love, putting everything in a black and white. I found you guilty of stereotyping. Tell me if you think it's right to judge a man by the color of his skin. Give and take, compromise, even prepare yourself for sacrifice. Unite and be strong, cause life is no bed of roses. Try love, there's nothing to it if we only put our minds to it. We can do it.
Oye, recuerdo que el lindo está prohibido en mi país, ¿eh? Pero, Dani, ponte de cabeza.
Free from their captivity, they're living a life of hypocrisy. Lord, make them move, make them walk. Let the wind separate wheat from the chaff. Lord, back with Mr. Babylon, just move them all. Back with your wicked plans. Back with Mr. Babylon. Oh, back with your wicked plans. Love to talk, 'cause talk is cheap. But they can't do us.
¡Viva la Virgen de Fátima!
But we see and know wolves from the sheep. Lord, back with Mr. Babylon. Back with your wicked plans. Back with Mr. Babylon. Oh, back with your wicked plan. Hear my sound. Bubble is the organist. I'm free from their captivity. They're living a life of hypocrisy.
Creo que iba a salir en la
But
foto y ahí
what will be has got to be. Because you can't praise Jah and lust for vanity. Back with Mr.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Oh oh. Yeah. Pick yourself up from off the ground. I hate to see you just lying around all day. No freeness train is gonna come around. So lose those shackles, don't you be a slave. You got life, so forget about your grave. And if you wanna win, you got to put up a fight. Put up a fight. Yeah. 'Cause only the strongest of the strong will survive. And only the fittest of the fit will pay the price. And if you want good, make that sacrifice. They say good things come to those who wait, but the greatest things are bound to those who will create. Put your mind to good use and put some food on your own plate. Own a plate. 'Cause only the strongest of the strong will survive. And only the fittest of the fit will stay alive. You can't run in a Gideon with no fire in your eyes. And if you wanna get to Zion, you need a will, you need that drive.
This train carry no backbiters. This train carry no backbiters. This train carry no backbiters. Only to carry Jaja choosing people. Whoa, this train, it is bound for Zion.